Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. It's me, Experience Progress with me, and you witness progression with me. Lately, it has been crazy on forex trading, but I feel I've been experiencing progress. Hope you have been experiencing progress too in your journey, because my journey has been an amazing one for real. Even with the losses and everything, it has been an amazing one. So I've not actually dropped a video in like a month or 4 weeks. 4 weeks is actually a month, sorry. Like 3 weeks or a month. Well, I decided to pick up the camera again and I want to do something, and I did it. So now I'm going to like take you guys through all I've been doing. I think for the past 3 days I was in camp trying to connect with God. I think it's like a camp meeting at Dominion City, and I would say the experience is really actually amazing. That actually changed my mindset and my thought process towards a lot of things. I'm trying to gain closeness with God, my relationship with God, because that actually matters a lot, and that's everything. Even for my forex, if it's all to His glory though, not my glory. Do you understand? The profit and everything is to His glory, because it's the one that actually gave me this idea to actually do all this, and actually the reason why I'm actually here right now. So forex has been amazing. I would say it's been really, really amazing. I picked up a book 2 weeks ago. Not really 2 weeks. I think someone gave me as a gift here, and I've been reading it. And here's actually the book. If you could see it, I don't know if the camera is positioned right. If you could see it, The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. Yeah, it's a good one. And I was reading, and I came across something. Before I try to show you, I feel forex is it's all about your mindset, the mindset for real, because I feel different minds coming to this forex. I was going through the book, and it's amazing. See, it's actually amazing how much this book has actually helped me. And it said something right here. It says you create the game in your own mind based on your own belief, intent, perception, and rules. And it's actually amazing how much your mind plays into this market, for real. Because everybody in the forex market come in with different mind, and that's what actually plays out in the market. I feel like if you're not among the big boys that actually move the market, then it's what you bring into the market that actually moves the market. That actually makes up the algorithm. Do you get? I feel like there's no manipulation. It's what price actually prints out. That's actually what you trade. Do you understand? And this book is actually amazing. I recommend it to every forex beginner, for real. You need to check it out. So I'm going to take you guys through my trading week, or I say April. April has actually been amazing. Though I call my losses amazing too, because they are part of the process. Definitely, they are actually part of the process. Everything. So I've already taken like 4 or 5 trades this week, and I think I've actually lost like 3 and 1 profit. And today ended up in profit, because I caught gold very, very, very nice, because gold has been buying, creating new ATH every week. So today I entered the market and I saw how gold was actually buying, and I waited for the retracement into the market. I think I'll just leave it and show you on my laptop all my trading is going and everything. I'll take you through my notions and see how amazing my journey has been. So stay tuned, okay? So hello guys, so welcome to my board. Like, this is where I do a lot of things. So you can actually see my notion. This is where I used to journal my trades, my trading hub, my trading plan, my profile, my routines, my books, my thought goals, my real estate stock, profile and stock market. You can see my forecasting, my win trade. Actually, I got this notion from Mira Forex, actually, because that's actually the lady I actually get motivation from. Definitely, she's actually growing crazily, and I love it. And this is my Bible plan, my 2025 goals. So for April, I will just take you guys through my April trades. Like I said, I think I've taken 4 trades, and you can see on AUD, on XAUSD, 2 losses, and AUD. I think this one I actually got stopped out on each trade, and went to I think let's go into it, yeah. So you could see what I was expecting on this trade. It was the reversal, 186 area trade. I think Yes, I think yeah, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. I couldn't actually my thought process in this trade. I couldn't write it down that day. I think I was busy, but you could see our price went in my direction. I saw other block on this zone and calling me enlarge it. So this was it. Amazing trade, amazing trade. But I think that we had the news on USD and Kisel price reacted. Well, Kisel price I got stopped out. Yeah, no, I think I took it. I didn't put my this thing. Yeah, actually it was actually higher than this. So price went up volatility and went down and came to my TPE. Then boom, and that was it. That was it. Good trade. Good trade on AUD USD. On XAUSD, I think this trade was crazy, crazy trade. I saw an inverted gap. I was thinking price will, when I got stopped out on this trade. I got stopped out. I chopped stop loss on this trade crazily. You can see my what I was looking for, and why this. I think this trade April 10 on this trade. Looking for a sell. So a confirmation on another block, market structure and big structure. So you see my intent on this trade. Well, before this trade, I had this trade whereby I got stopped out and it went in my direction, and thinking this other block will actually hold. Crucial price came in, then reversed again. I thought there was going to be a reversal and to the downside for internal range liquidity. The price just came down and moved up. You see, not a nice trade, but we keep going. It's how we learn. That's why I take my journaling serious. It helps me learn more. Do you understand? Okay, on this AUD USD, I think this was a good trade, but I got stopped out. So this sweep another block. You can see my emotions. I wasn't afraid. Yes, I was uncertain, but I didn't check if price created another block before trying out the strategy. So I saw price create a sweep of liquidity on the 1 hour time frame. Then I went to the 25 minutes time frame to see if price creates an order block. I waited for price to give a bearish candle to tell price is ready to take internal liquidity, because the intent of the market is to seek liquidity from the internal range and the external range. So that's it. Well, you can see how price stopped me out. Then went into my direction. Amazing trade. I didn't actually go down to the 2 hours time frame to see if price created an indecisive candle. So I didn't check that out, and that was my mistake on this trade. But actually, price created it. I didn't wait for it, so I just entered the trade because I saw a sweep of liquidity on the higher time frame and waiting for price to create a bearish candle and close below the open of the new bearish candle for price to sell big time. Nice trade, but I got stopped out before moving my direction. As of today, recording this, I actually got into a nice XAUSD trade. Well, you could see how gold has been. See, gold has already been buying since last year, and it's amazing. But today, you could see what price did. Price was going bullish, but creating a retracement. So I caught a retracement. You could see how price retraced here, then created another retracement. So I used my fib 2 to actually catch it, because I actually put my fib 2 at the 0.6 retracement zone or 0.7 retracement zone to catch this nice trade, because I actually knew XAUSD was going to go to 3,450 or 3,500. So that's my actually price forecasting for on XAUSD. But it was a good trade. I saw price created a fair value gap on 15-minute time frame. Then price came to tap into the fair value gap, then moved, and that was it. Nice trade. So that's all I've been doing. It's amazing. You can see my Bible plan, my notions. So thank you guys for sticking through. Thank you so much. Have a good one.